Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I have this exciting Mercedes to share with you. This is a 2015 Mercedes C350 Sport Coupe 4MATIC with only 16,900 original miles. This Mercedes is for sale here at AlphaCars at the date of this video posting. You can view the availability and the pricing on our website, alphacars.com. You can also view a long list of technical data about this C350 on our listing. Definitely familiarize yourself with the listing and then reach out to us if you have any additional questions. Keep in mind we do offer vehicle transportation as well. So even if you're not local here in New England, still reach out to us if you'd like this exceptional Mercedes-Benz. This C350 is a very rare find, especially with this mileage and condition. It being a coupe sport with the 4MATIC, it also has some really nice options. Has around $6,000 in options, which you can view all of the factory packages in the online listing. But you can see the nice sport seats, that flat bottom sport steering wheel. It has heated seats as well. And it even has the illuminated star emblem in the front. You can see there's a lighting element behind there. So at night, that'll light up and look ultra cool as well. So in this video, we're gonna do a full condition overview of this C350 so we can get familiar with it. And let's get into it. And let's start at the exterior of the C350. The sun may be poking in and out of the clouds here, but we'll get that contrast on the paint. This car is gorgeous on the outside, really presents the same on the inside. It's really as close to a new one as you could get right now in the current market. You step around this car and it feels like it was new yesterday on the showroom floor. So if you want this sort of driving experience, this sort of design, well, unfortunately, Mercedes doesn't offer this in their current lineup. So this is really the closest thing you can get to experiencing a new one once again. Just check out this condition of this car. It really speaks for itself. Let's get a little more picky here and we'll look at the condition of everything. Look at the gloss of the paint. Nice reflection of the trees there. The front of the vehicle is in exceptional condition. You can see the chrome, the headlight lenses. This car does have the headlight, or lighting package rather. So it has the adaptive headlights. And there's a few little imperfections on the bumper, like little surface imperfections. Like you can tell it was taken on the highway a few times. It is still a used vehicle. But the metal panels here all look awesome. Now going down the driver's side, we can go at this angle and see if there's any irregularities in how the light reflects. And this side looks great. Now at the back of the C350, the sides of the bumper, rear valance, that chrome dual exhaust. Even look at all the chrome on the trunk panel. Everything looks excellent. Now going down the passenger side. This side does present the same. And now we round back out at the front of the C350. Let's pay attention to the wheel condition. These nice big 5-spoke wheels. I personally love the design of these. They kind of have that turbine look. And the tires are in excellent condition on them. On our listing on our website, you can view the remaining tire and brake life, but I believe this car, front and rear, is all around 80%. So you can see they look excellent. It does have the factory Mercedes glass, as you can see there. And the roof is in excellent condition as well. Of course, this car has the panoramic sunroof, which is ultra cool in a coupe. So most of this roof is actually glass, but you can see here it all presents very well. And now we've got the sun coming out. Unbelievable, this car, the look it gives. Let's start to take a peek in the interior. We've got these nice long coupe doors. I'll try to block some of the sun glare as best I can. but with all of the aluminum trims in here, even look at the gear selector there in the leather boot for it. Like everywhere you touch in this car and you use it, it feels like a new vehicle. It's unreal. You can see the soft open works great in the glove box. We've got the factory manuals there. It comes with 2 factory keys, which you can view a picture of those on the online listing. But even look at the kick panels down here. The door jambs are exceptionally clean. Really sorry about the sun glare. New England lighting conditions always making things challenging. But now looking in the back, you've even got the sport style seats in the back, and there's some cup holders right here. But you can just see the condition of everything looks great. And that panoramic sunroof, which is really cool in a coupe because it feels like the whole roof. And now we can fold our seat back there. Let's shut the door. Take a peek in the trunk. That comes right open. And this car does have the 60-40 split seats that you can fold down. So even though it's a coupe, it's very practical. You can pass some things through there. These floor mats look excellent, factory floor mats, and you can see the condition of the carpet under there looks great. And I believe this car, the only thing is it's missing a spare, so we do want to disclose that, but the condition of everything there does look great. And you can see there it has a backup camera, which we will exercise that in this video. And now looking at the driver's door panel, we've got the seat memory there and the seat controls. You can see there's no wear to any of the buttons or common touch points. And we've got the factory, the VIN plate there. And this door jam's looking good, as well as this sport seat. And when you fold this one forward, it also moves forward on its own, which is helpful. And yeah, you can just see the condition of everything back here looks great. We can fold that back and the seat returns to its previous position. And now let's hop in. Foot on the brake. All we have to do is push our start button, as this car has the keyless go. 16,922 miles. And I mean, just look at the condition of everything. The buttons, the shifter. We can operate our heated seats here, which work excellent. We've got some of the stainless steel trim here, which operates nicely. And the center console, we've got some of the controls here for the infotainment, which, as we can see here, it is currently on the navigation, which is very accurate. And those lines on the screen is just due to the refresh rate of the camera. It is perfectly solid in person. And I can even put the car in reverse and check that out. We've got the reversing camera looking behind us for us there. And we can open this up, and there's even some of the factory sort of media inputs in there. And this is very responsive and works well. And I can show you the panoramic sunroof works great. No matter how nice the cars you're looking at, always test, some of the major features. And even watching this open and close, you can just tell the car was kept inside. The sunroof track and everything's very clean. And then we've got the sunshade, which is not bunched up or anything. Fast and smooth. Wonderful. Just let that finish out. And now let's pop the hood, which will have a little red lever right here. And by the way, I just want to pay special attention. We can see the bolster condition of the seat. All of that looks excellent. I know you probably already saw that with where the camera was before, but I just want to confirm. And now check this out. Looks literally like a new car under here. Like, look at the gloss on the paint in the engine bay. That's how clean it is. And you can see these fender bolts, they haven't had the paint disturbed on them there with a wrench. Same thing with this front fender bolt. So we will talk about the paint in just a minute here. but we can hear how nice it's idling. Very happy. Give it a little push there to latch. Lastly, we're just gonna talk about the paint. So the paint is factory original on all the metal panels except for this passenger door and this quarter panel. So you'll see it is a clean Carfax. There's no accident on the Carfax, but with our specific standards here, of course, we check all of our vehicles with the paint meter tool, and we do a visual evaluation as well with our extensive knowledge of paintwork. And we saw that on these couple of panels on the paint meter, they read a little high. So they read within spec for like a quality job at the body shop. It's always gonna read a little higher than factory, but it did not read excessively high. So there's no, crazy body filler or this or that. It really was an exceptional job by whoever refinished these couple of panels. Even the texture is very factory-like, and even the sort of blend areas, they feel good as well. You would have never known unless I just told you, but we're full transparency here at AlphaCars, and we wanted to talk about that and disclose that. And that's why we make these videos, because we are full transparency. No matter where you are in the country, we want you to view this video and feel like you were just here, looking at the car, and make sure you're well informed of your vehicle purchase. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to not miss out on the future motoring content.